Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have the right permissions and the team open. Now start. First, confirm you are a team owner or have channel edit rights because Teams blocks renames for members. Once done, locate the team in the left rail and expand its channel list. Right-click the channel name or click the ellipsis menu. This initiates the rename flow. You're starting the edit so you can craft a clearer name. That reduces confusion and improves searchability across chats and files. You'll see an editable display name field and a description box. Use both. Type the new channel name and, if helpful, add a short description so members know purpose and scope. Once you type, Teams validates uniqueness in the team. Make sure it's distinct. If this is a standard channel, renaming preserves files and tabs. However, internal links or pinned messages might still show the old name until clients refresh. So update any documents or wiki references to avoid confusion. Click Save or Update to commit the change, then verify the new name appears across desktop, web, and mobile clients. Syncing can take a few seconds. Once visible, post a brief announcement with the reason for the rename and any action items so members adjust bookmarks and mentions. If the change fails, confirm your ownership and retry. If it's a private channel and you lack rights, ask the private channel owner to rename or recreate the channel. That single tip usually resolves permission blockers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.